Capacitors are like tiny energy storage devices. They exist in every electronic circuit, the phones, laptops, and everywhere else. But what happens if you push them beyond their limits? Today we're going to find out what really happens if you overcharge a capacitor. At their core, capacitors are very simple. Two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called the dielectric. When you apply voltage, electrons build up on one plate and repel electrons from the other plate, creating an electric field. Every capacitor has a maximum safe voltage. This is called the voltage rating. If you respect it, the capacitor works perfectly fine. But if you go above it, the electric field inside gets so strong that the insulating dielectric can't handle it anymore. When that happens, the dielectric starts to break down, just like an overstretched rubber band snapping. Once it snaps, the stored energy has nowhere safe to go. Inside electrolytic capacitors, the liquid electrolyte reacts under heat. This chemical reaction generates gas. Since the capacitor is sealed, the pressure rises until it vents, or explodes. Smaller capacitors might just fail silently, but bigger ones, they can pop like firecrackers. And this is why you often see swollen or leaking capacitors in old electronics. They've been stressed by heat, age, or overvoltage. In fact, engineers often design with extra safety margins. For example, in a 12-volt circuit, you wouldn't just use a 12 volts capacitor. You would use a 16 volts or even a 25 volts capacitor to make sure it lasts. When the voltage is too high, the dielectric layer thins and breaks down. At the same time, electrolysis begins, splitting the liquid into gases like hydrogen. That's what causes the bulking top and sometimes a loud pop. This isn't just dangerous for the capacitor. It can damage your whole circuit or even you if you're close to it. So how do you stay safe? Always check the voltage rating before using a capacitor. Choose one at least 20–30% higher than your working voltage. And remember, capacitors don't just fail when you push them. They store energy. Even after unplugged, they can still hold a painful charge. So what happens if you overcharge a capacitor? The dielectric breaks, heat and gas build up, and if pushed far enough, you might just get a mini explosion. Respect those ratings and your circuit will just thank you. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Keep watching and see you in the next one.